Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. I go by the name Ghetto Boss, guys. Alright guys, before we continue, if you want to know the broker that I'm using FBK Markets. You can check the link below and join us and work with us. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe. On this video, guys, I want to talk about this important topic which people they don't usually touch, which is much more important. What is a stop loss? A stop loss order is a type of trading order designed to limit a trader's potential losses on a position. This is designed to protect your capital. If you have $100 in your account, if you know about risk management, that means you will use a stop loss and you will always protect your $100 no matter what. It automatically closes a position when the market price reach a specific level, allows the trader to manage their risk exposure and protect their investment from significant losses. It protects your capital no matter what, because as soon as the market reverses and hit your stop loss, you will be out of the trade. But if you don't put the stop loss, it's not easy to close your trades manually. You can lose a lot of money thinking that the market will reverse. For example, let me just make a small example here. Let's say the market is going up and it reached what you call your buying zone. It reached what you call a buying zone. It depends what you call. It reached what you call your buying zone. And then you enter here. You enter here. And you enter here. And you enter here. Let's just remove this. Let's remove this. Yeah, we're done with it. See, you enter here to put your stop loss. What we are expecting, remember, we are working with probabilities. So according to our analysis, it doesn't mean that you cannot be wrong as a trader. You can be wrong 3 times but win once, and then your win must be bigger than your losses. You see, that's why for the win we'll be having a big target, but for losses we have a small target, that in case the market goes against us, we are still able to trade even tomorrow, because we are protecting our capital. So here we are expecting the market to go up, but because of a lot of things that they push the market, fundamentals and other things, the market just choose to go against us with small pips. You understand? Before it goes up, it will just hit our stop loss and then take out from the trade, and then the market goes back to our direction. So what we do, we will be out of the trade, but we will manage to re-enter the trade because we still have a capital to trade. We re-enter the trade, we put our stop loss again, then the market will end up going to our direction, and we look how much you can make with that trade. For example, you will make a lot of pips, but you just lost 1% of your trade. You understand? 1% of your capital. So is what I'm trying to show you here. Let's go straight to the chart and then explain this better. Then you can see the importance of using a stop loss. You understand? It's one of the risk management topics that you have to, it's a must as a trader. You must touch the risk management, especially when you're a beginner. Don't rush. Don't rush. Know your stuff, know your story, because if you don't know your story, this market will humble you. I'm telling you, my brother. I don't want to see you losing your capital. Sometimes it's your last money. Sometimes, it's not easy to get money. So when you have money and you invested your money, you must also use what we call risk management. All right, let's check this area here. Let's check this area here. We have our selling zone there, and we have our buying zone here. The best way to trade using the stop loss is to make sure that your stop loss is lower than the last low. You understand? If you buy here, you make sure that your stop loss is lower than your last low. Let me show you what I mean about that. This is how we trade. Me and my team members, this is how we trade. You understand? This is how we trade. Our target is this. Understand? This is our target, which is more than 2,000 pips. But if you can check, our stop loss is so small. And then when I'm saying it must be on your last low, I'm saying that you must make sure that it's lower than this last low here. You understand? Is below this last low here, so that if the market just decide to go against you, it's going against you here, you can still be on the trade, and we are giving it a room to move up and down on your stop loss before it can go to your direction. You understand? So that's what I mean when I'm saying the stop loss must be under your last low. You understand? Below your last low. That's how you put your stop loss. That's how you put your stop loss. And that's also how you apply your risk management. You understand? It is important, guys. I don't want to lie to you. Don't take it for granted. It's really important to use a stop loss, because if you don't use a stop loss as a beginner, man, I'm telling you, you'll keep on funding and blowing. I know that pain, man. I've been through that pain. I don't want you guys to go through that pain. Just learn what I'm showing you here and don't make the same mistake that I did. It's not easy to start from scratch. It's not easy to be going around looking for the capital again, to start again, because of you don't follow the rules. Because as soon as you don't follow the rules, the market will punish you very nice, my friend. I don't want to lie to you. So let me show you now when we sell. This is our last low. Let's say now we're going to enter here. This is our last high, né? So obviously, when we have that last high, so what we're going to do to avoid stop loss hunt, we make sure that we put our stop loss above this last high. Understand? Above this last high. If we put our stop loss above this last high, it's not easy for the market to go and take us out. It's not easy at all. Let me show you how we'll be selling there. Let me show you how we'll be selling there. See how we'll be selling there. See, this is how we'll be selling there. This is how we'll be selling there. You see, when they say you can lose maybe 5 trades and win 3, let's say a week, they talk about this. When you lose your trade, you will be losing this small amount of pips, but your target is this big amount of pips. So even if you can lose more than 5 times, with 2 trades you can cover all your losses and still make profit, So when I'm saying it must be above this last high, is for you to be protected if the market is trying to go against you. You see, if the market is trying to go against you a little bit there, you still safe, bruh. It cannot hit your stop loss. You still safe, and eventually it will go to your direction, because according to your analysis you saw that the market is about to sell. But the only mistake that we don't do is to put the stop loss. And I'm telling you, you don't want to feel like you made a wrong decision and then you go out of the trade, while the trade is going to your direction. So guys, I hope you understood how to use a stop loss. This is part of risk management topic, guys. You must able to know where to put your stop loss, because if you don't know, you will always be stopped out. You'll always be out of the market and you'll feel like the market is targeting you, man. I'm telling you, that will be your feeling, because every time you enter your trade, if you don't know where to put your stop loss, the market will come back and hit your stop loss, and as soon as it hits your stop loss, you're out of the trade. You start to get stressed, you see. But if you know where to put your stop loss, it's easy for you to make money in the market. It's easy for you to make money in the market. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe. I love you all, guys. Let me see you on another video. Please keep on practicing. Never give up. Never give up. Thank you.